This tutorial shows how to hide columns or rows in Excel. At times, you may want to hide or unhide columns or rows to show just the data that you need to see or print. To do this, select one or more columns. Here we'll select two adjacent columns of data. Right-click and select Hide. The selected columns are now hidden. The double line between two columns is an indicator that columns are hidden. To unhide the columns, select the adjacent columns for the hidden columns. Right-click and select Unhide. The columns are not hidden anymore. Let's try hiding two rows that are not adjacent. Select the first row that you want to hide and press the Control key on your keyboard. Then, select each row that you want to hide. Right-click and select Hide. The selected rows are now hidden. Once again, the double lines between the hidden rows display. To unhide the rows, select the adjacent rows for the hidden rows. Right-click and select Unhide. The rows are not hidden anymore. That's how to hide and unhide columns or rows in Excel. For all of your technical writing needs, go to www.sheaws.com.